My name is Omar Osman, and I'm the founder and owner Halwo Kismayo. And we was doing this program for right now it's a week. Me and Sharif Grocrey and Mahmoud Runta and Hassan Sunni, brother Hassan Sunni. So all of us, we are happy, and inshallah we will continue to do this program to help the people who cannot work and the people who are disabled, they staying at home. So inshallah ta'ala.
Hey, hi you guys, my name is Joaria and I work with Mercy Housing. I wanted to first start off by saying thank you to Hassan and Sharif Grocrey and Halwo Kismayo. We serve a lot of families here as well as kids and seniors, so it's nice to see the community come together and support each other during this tough times.
Hi, my name is Sophia Tacola and I work with the partnership between Urban Impact and Mercy Housing, supporting both the kids and families during this time. Most of our kids here are part of free or reduced lunch, and now that school is out for the rest of the year, most of our families and kids do not have meals. So we're very, very thankful for everyone coming to support and help us during this time.
Seattle, Washington State. My name is Ahmed Kasim, and of course, Unit Somalia. Thank you, Kismayo Restaurant and Sharif. You help the COVID-19, everybody that want a lunch time, and help the people in Seattle, Washington. I hope this year everybody life is good. Thank you, Kismayo and Sharif and the team in Somalian community. Thank you very much.